What's up guys, welcome back to ABAUTO. Today we're going to be looking at Mercedes' brand new Mercedes Me app. They've just launched it last week here in the UK. We're going to run through all the features, we're going to test it out, we're going to look at what's new, we're going to look at what's the same. We're basically going to do a full rundown. So what does the Mercedes Me app do exactly? Well, it's got lots of features, but essentially it can unlock and lock the car. You can check your tyre pressure. You can check most of the monitoring features of the car, like the coolant levels, oil levels. It will tell you how much fuel you've got left in the car. Another really great feature is you can send routes directly to the sat nav in the car. So you could be at home on your sofa, planning your route out on the app. And then when you get into your car, you get this little notification to pop up to say, would you like to start your route guidance, which I think is really cool. Right, that's enough talking from me. Let's get into the app, let's test it out, let's do an overview, we'll go through all the features. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is launch the app. You get this nice little Mercedes animation. Okay, so here we've got on the menu, we've got 3 nice pictures of my car, which looks great. It's the C43 AMG in brilliant blue, and it's a very accurate picture of the car. I really like it, it's nice and shiny. Then here we've got doors, we've got vehicle status, we've got vehicle alarm, we've got service, we've got tyre pressure, then we've got more, and inside more you've got a few more options. You've got trip computer, eco score and geofencing. Don't worry, we're going to go through each of these in detail now. One more thing you've got as well is you've got a quick menu here of your range, which tells you how many miles you've got left until you run out of petrol, then just various other bits scrolling down really. But yeah, let's go through them one by one. Okay, let's run through the menus. So first thing we can go to is doors. Indoors, you can basically lock or unlock your car. It's fast, it's responsive. You saw it earlier in the video. If we go back now, so you've got vehicle status. Now this is basically a rundown of the status of your vehicle. So you can see it's locked here. And if you click windows, it tells us that the front left window is closed and the front right window is closed. If we go back, you can see that the doors are closed, the luggage compartment is closed, and the bonnet is closed. Okay, next we've got vehicle alarm. So you can see this cool little shade around the vehicle here. That basically represents the collision zone. And basically, if you have any collisions, if someone crashes into your car, then you'll get a notification via text and the app and also an email. So you can see here, we've got the interior alarm was last on then. No collisions because we haven't had any. And then you can turn the sensors on and off here. So you've got the interior monitoring sensors, and you've also got collision and tow away detection. Next up, we've got service. My car's just been serviced, so as you can see there, my next service is not till 304 days. And then in this menu here, you can check the general things in the car. So you can check your brake fluid, your coolant, your starter battery, and your washer fluid levels. Next up is tyre pressures. So here you can see the tyre pressures of all 4 tyres in your car. This is updated from when you last drove the car. Sometimes it can be a bit more inaccurate on the app, but in the car you get a more accurate reading. But it's handy to see it here on a quick fly. What's quite cool as well, if you check your tyre pressures in the car as opposed to the app, is it will actually tell you the temperature of each tyre as well. Now if we go into more here, this is where you've got the 3 additional options. So the first one is trip computer. So if we go into it, this is basically the trip computer that you have inside the car. It will tell you your range, your fuel level. We've got 98% fuel because we just filled up. That's your mileage reading on the car. Then you've got my last journey, which was a 6-mile journey. Driving time 19 minutes, average speed 18. It doesn't seem to tell me my average consumption for some reason, but it usually does. Then down here we've got my last since reset, which was a long time ago. This is 11,000 miles, driving time 15 days, average speed 31 miles per hour, and my average consumption mile per gallon is 20.9. So that's pretty handy to get all that information on the fly in your app. But if we go back now, next we'll go into eco score. Now you might recognize this pie chart. You can get this inside the car on most modern Mercedes, and it's basically Mercedes' way of helping you save fuel and get better mile per gallon essentially. So it's categorized into 3 icons. The first one is acceleration. It's basically telling you how hard you push the accelerator, how often you push it. If you push it heavy, hard all the time, like I tend to do in Sport Plus mode for fun, then you will score low in this area. Then you've got coasting, which basically keeps track of times when you let go of the accelerator and you let the car move on its own momentum, saving fuel. And then the one at the end is constant, which is, it says manual transmission. Try to avoid engine speeds by shifting up early. I mean, most Mercedes are automatic, but I think constant basically is just staying consistent, keeping at a consistent speed, not slowing down, stop, start. And it just, you know, if you do that and you keep consistent, you will get a better mile per gallon. So basically how it works is it's all kind of arranged in this pie chart here based on where you are on each. And in the middle, if you're doing well, it will tell you how many miles you saved, mile per gallon wise, at the end. So it's quite handy to see it on your phone. But yeah, this is exactly the same as the feature in the car. So if we hit the car icon here in the middle, this basically brings up another way to access the screens we've seen already. So you've got collision detection, you've got eco score, service, trip computer, tire pressure, vehicle alarm, vehicle status. It's all here and easy to get to. Right, back on the home screen now, just a few more cool things to show you guys. So if you hit this speech bubble icon at the top, this is your inbox. So this is where Mercedes will send you notifications. You can see I've got a good one here. I've got an online map update there to do in my car. So that's a reminder that I need to update my sat nav, so that's really handy. So there we have it, guys. That is the full overview of the brand new 2020 Mercedes Me app. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up because it really helps me and the channel out. And if you want to see more of the C43 and the Mercedes Me app and just general Mercedes and cool car stuff, then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.